Welcome to the Unity BootCamp lesson on installing the brainCloud Unity plugin. Before we start this lesson, ensure that the Unity project that you'd like to add the brainCloud plugin to is already open. In the brainCloud portal, navigate to the team's dashboard. Under Helpful Links, click Download Client Libs. This will open the Client Libraries page. Click the Unity C# link. This will open up a GitHub repository. Scroll down and find Releases. Click the latest version's Unity package to start the download. Again, please make sure your Unity project is already open before trying to install the brainCloud plugin. Once your download has completed, double-click the Unity package. In Unity, an import prompt will appear. Click Import. The brainCloud Unity plugin has now been imported. At the top, click the brainCloud menu item, then click Settings. You'll be prompted to log in with your brainCloud account. Enter your email and password. A quick note, if you are not using the public instance of brainCloud, uncheck the Use Default Server box, then enter the HTTP address of your brainCloud instance. Click Login. Once you're logged in, select your team, then select your app. The brainCloud plugin will automatically import your app's ID, secret, and version. This data will then be used in the next lesson when we initialize the brainCloud wrapper. Initializing the brainCloud wrapper is the next lesson in the Unity BootCamp.